Are you tired of Gmail rejecting your zip files? Learn how to attach and send any zip file in under 60 seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to attach a zip file in Gmail, from composing to sending. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click the Compose button in the upper left corner to open a new message. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Now add a subject and write your message if you'd like. Click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window to attach files. Browse to your zip file, select it, and click Open. Finally, review your email and hit Send. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.